big fan of this Frontier Co-op. This is the smoked paprika. I love the deep crimson color and the instant hit of the oak smoke. This bottle is like a little campfire for your kitchen. The aroma alone here transformed any dish I make. Literally, it's just naturally sweet. It's never artificial. It's wood smoked. It's rich. It delivers depth, like backyard barbecue flavor, minus the actual grill. And truly, a little bit goes a long way. The powder is fine. It is so fresh, and it is intensely pigmented. So even a little pinch, a little teaspoon, wakes up a healthy whole foods meal. Final verdict on this one, the Frontier Smoked Paprika. This one has a permanent residency in my spice cabinet. This speaks chef's touch ingredient. It is simple, clean cooking, and it really does taste layered and slow smoked. And all from this single shake little glass jar. Highly recommend.